Hello students, in my previous video I have explained you about verb and its kinds. It is of lesson 8 of language. Today I am going to explain you about the exercises of lesson 8, the verb. Clear? Now come to the exercise number A. Exercise A. Identify verbs in the following sentences and write whether they are action verbs or to be verbs. As I have explained you about what is action verb, action verb is what the subject does, and to be verb shows state or being of the verb. Now come to the exercise. Number 1, Satish will buy a new bicycle today. Will buy shows the action verb, so it is right here action verb. Clear? Now come to the second sentence. Usain Bolt won 2 gold medals in London Olympics. It is also action verb. Number 3, I will be present in the class tomorrow. Will be shows the to be verb. Number 4, will you attend my birthday party? It is also attend is the action verb. Number 5, the box is in the store. Is shows the to be verb. Now come to the 6th. Shiva created. Created means action verb. The Shiva does the action, so it is action verb. Number 6. Now come to the exercise B. Underline the auxiliary and encircle the main verbs in the following sentences. As I have told you, what is auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb help the main verbs, and main verbs shows main action or exist. It can also exist alone. Now first sentence is, when will you return my money? Return is you have to circle the return as it is the main verb, and you have to underline the will as it is the auxiliary or helping verb. Number 2, who is helping you complete your project? Underline is, circle the helping. Number 3, I was coming back from the playground at that time. Was underline, coming, circle. Coming is the main verb and was is the auxiliary helping verb. Now come to the fourth sentence. Mohan and Ravi have painted this room. Underline have and circle the painted. Most people are becoming richer day by day in this city. Underline are, circle the becoming. Number 6, you should finish your work before you go to bed. Underline should as it is obviously helping verb, and circle the finish as it is the main verb. Now come to the third exercise. Identify verbs below and write whether they are to have or linking verbs. To have verbs क्या होते हैं? What subject owns. Subject के पास क्या है जो शो करते हैं वो टू हैव वर्ब होते हैं. लिंकिंग वर्ब क्या होते हैं? जो लिंक करते हैं सब्जेक्ट को उनके कॉम्प्लीमेंट से. लिंकिंग वर्ब लिंक द सब्जेक्ट टू इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो नंबर 1 सेंटेंस इज, Minali was sad after seeing her medical report. It is linking verb as was है यहाँ पर. The players seemed exhausted after the match. Underline seemed और linking verb लिखिए. Number 3, Priyal has headache today. Has underline करके to have लिखिए. Next, do you have a car? Have, to have. तो ये क्या है? To have. Next, Ankur is happy on getting a new gift from his uncle. Linking verb is जो है linking verb है. My father has 2 cars. Has to have verb है. Now come to the exercise D. Spot the verbs in the following sentences. Write whether they are transitive or intransitive. मैंने पहले ही आपको एक्सप्लेन करके बताया है कि ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब क्या होते हैं? To take object to complete the meaning of the sentence, or intransitive verb does not require any object to complete its meaning and the sentence. Now come to the first sentence. The landlord lent me a washing machine. It is a transitive verb. The leader spoke very fast and loud. Intransitive verb. Udit realized his mistake in time. Transitive. They cooked for all of us very happily intransitive. Ravi wept on his mother and sister's death intransitive. 2 members arrived late at the meeting. It is intransitive verb. Now come to the exercise E. Write whether the verbs in the sentences below are visible or invisible verb. Visible verb क्या होते हैं? That shows the action which can be seen. और invisible verb क्या होते हैं? That shows the action which cannot be seen. जैसे कि thought, felt, वो सब invisible verb होते हैं. चलिए नंबर 1, he missed the opportunity due to lethargy. तो क्या होगा? ये invisible. इसमें क्या है? missed है, तो invisible है इसमें. नंबर 2, we boarded the train and took our berth. visible. boarded, यहाँ पर boarded verb है और वो visible दिखाई दे रहा है. People mourn the death of their beloved leader. invisible. Sachin batted very well against the Kiwis. visible. He analyzed the situation very minutely. invisible. Number 6, the bull uprooted the plant with its horn. visible. Now come to the exercise F. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs given within the brackets. Clear? Now first you have to fill the correct forms of the verbs of the bracket words. ठीक है? Now number 1, Nisha reach the school always in time. तो reach में es लगा देंगे तो reaches हो जाएगा. क्लियर? निशा सिंगुलर है तो सिंगुलर में es लगता है प्रेजेंट टेंस में. क्लियर? नाउ नंबर 2, आई एम रीड हैमलेट बाय शेक्सपियर नाउडेज. तो क्या होगा? रीड का रीडिंग. नंबर 3, हु इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ योर स्कूल. द करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ बी इज. नंबर 4, हैव यू डन ऑल योर वर्क. We have been going to school by bus since March. Who? Number 6, who gave you courage to behave like this? Number 7, we are not interested in new movies anymore. Number 8, Alex had taken his lunch before he left for play. Clear? Smriti was 10 when she participated in the competition. Clear? Now come to the exercise G. Underline the regular and encircle the irregular verbs below. Regular verbs क्या होते हैं? जिसमें वर्ब में हम ed लगाते हैं वो रेगुलर वर्ब्स होते हैं. और इरेगुलर वर्ब्स क्या होते हैं? जिनको कि हम वर्ब में उनके तीनों पास्ट और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल दोनों फॉर्म बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होते हैं. चलिए नंबर 1, परी एंड सात्विक हेल्प्ड श्रान्या विलिंगली. हेल्प्ड अंडरलाइन करिए, रेगुलर वर्ब है. नंबर 2, कार्तिक ड्रोव हिज कार वेरी फास्ट एंड केम फर्स्ट इन द रेस. ड्रोव और केम को सर्किल करिए एज इट इज ए इरेगुलर. नंबर 3, द हुलिगन्स रोड को सर्किल करिए. अवे क्वाइट नॉइजली फ्रॉम हेयर. नंबर 4, वी सैल्यूट रेगुलर वर्ब है. द मार्टर्स एट 30th जनवरी अंडरलाइन करिए. वी एम्ड एट द हाइएस्ट पीक टू ट्रैक ऑन. रेगुलर वर्ब एम्ड अंडरलाइन. दे ट्रम्बल्ड अंडरलाइन द ट्रम्बल्ड एज इट इज अ रेगुलर वर्ब. with fear on seeing the monkey before them. Number 8, गिरधर borrowed रेगुलर वर्ब है, अंडरलाइन करिए. अ बाइसाइकिल फ्रॉम हेमंत. नंबर 9, काशिका became a doctor by dint of her hard work. became irregular verb है इसलिए इसको सर्किल करिए. Now come to the next exercise H. Give 2 examples of each kind of verb. यहाँ पर kinds of verbs दिए हुए हैं और आपको उनके 2 examples देने हैं. ठीक है? एक्शन वर्ब का रन, जंप. टू बी वर्ब का इज, वॉज. टू हैव, हैज, हैव. लिंक वर्ब आर, बिकम. विजिबल, राइट, पेंट. इनविजिबल वर्ब थिंक, मिस. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब गिव, टेक. intransitive verb weep, smile. Auxiliary verb can, will. Main verb win, go. Regular verb ask, cure. Irregular verb come, give. All these are the examples of kinds of verbs. Now in this way I have completed chapter 8 of language, verbs and its kinds, and they are all exercises. Thank you, students.